I got this news before 7 or 8 days that my channel got monetized. Actually, I started this channel in 2017, January 4, 2017, and it got monetized right now in 2019. The period is very, very big, and the reason is also very, very big. And the reason is my inconsistency. Because of my inconsistency, my channel did not grow. And actually, I was trying to do what gives you money. So basically, I was trying to run behind money, and therefore, I became unsuccessful in this YouTube kind of thing. But guys, now I'm gonna do it consistently. Actually, it's not that I didn't do anything in those 2 years. I didn't do anything on this channel, but I was continuously learning something in the digital field. And I'm working as a financial advisor, and also trying to improve my personal brand or grow my personal brand online, so that I can do more work in that field. I've trained people to grow their personal brand in the rural areas. Basically, I want to work with the education system and give them a thumbs up so that they can grow themselves. They can grow and do whatever they want to do. Because the age of internet is of doing your passion. You must do your passion nowadays, and you can easily do it because of the great thing which on which I'm talking to you is internet, not just YouTube. It's total internet. And guys, I'm gonna promise you that I will be consistent in providing content on this channel. Actually, this channel was named first Think Inside Out. It was inspired by the 7 habits of highly effective people. In the book, there is the first lesson called Be Proactive, and that lesson tells that think inside out. Actually, the whole book tells that think inside out. It means that whatever the change you want to see in the world, first bring it inside yourself and then give it to others. So it basically tells whatever you learn, you apply it and then tell to others, so that it is think inside out. And I had this name of my channel before, and now before some days or maybe some months, I changed it to Leo Academy, that is Learn Inside Out Academy. And I was uploading videos of physics, 12th physics, or any educational type videos. After that, I got mad in my head and I started uploading videos of Rangoli, various designs, various cartoons or drawings. But guys, it helped me. One of my video of Rangoli got viral, and because of it only my channel has got monetized. But now, as I am working in the field of digital marketing, basically personal branding and finance, so I'm gonna mix these two fields and give great content to you basically. And my channel is going to be my life basically. That means, like Gary Vee says, I'm gonna document my life. Whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm going through, I'm gonna document it and share with you guys. So my work is basically in the finance field. I help people to do their financial planning and achieve their goals in long term. Next thing which I do is I am learning continuously in personal branding field, or say content marketing, and I am trying to get more and more clients or more and more things done for me at least first, and after it I will think of more clients or anything else. Well, but basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I'm doing in my whole day. Means whatever I have learned. Basically, if I go to a client for my financial advisory work and I learn some trick about marketing, I'm gonna share it with you. Or I learned something about planning the finances, planning the retirement, or doing something in the digital space, like the more things in personal branding, like how to build your authority, how to build your reputation, how to do it online and offline, both the things at the same time, and how to project yourself. I'm in a learning phase, and this will be great for the guys who are trying to see how the hustle is going to be. And guys, I invite you for this journey of hustling. We both, or we, every one of us, including me, will hustle to get a great future ahead. What my goal is to earn a handsome amount of money so that I can become financially free in a XYZ year. I have decided in which year I'm gonna do that, but now I'm not gonna tell it because first of all, I am gonna post continuously, consistently, and after proving my consistency, I'm gonna tell you everything about myself. So, guys, I invite you for this journey, and please please support this channel, as YouTube also has supported this channel now, because I didn't completed 1000 subscriber in the 365 days, and it was remaining short 50-30 subscribers, and it was going this like this way from many days. But in last month, this month October, YouTube blessed me. Actually, yes, YouTube blessed me so that my subscriber grew 930 in the last 1 year. Pardon me for my bad English, but I'm gonna learn it. And by communicating with you, I'm gonna learn it very good. So I got 930 subscribers in last 365 days, and YouTube still monetize my channel. So YouTube hopes something good from me, and I'm gonna give to you something good. And guys, I invite you to this journey. Work with me, learn from me, and we will learn together everything. And let's get started our journey. So guys, thank you so much for your support, and thank you YouTube for your support. And now I promise you guys that I'm gonna post consistently on my channel. I'm gonna change its name to maybe Digital Aadesh or Critical Aadesh, whatever I like or whatever you like. If you see this video, please suggest a good name for the channel, and I'm gonna start working, and see you in the journey.